सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we'll learn how to create a flex banner designing using CorelDRAW. So today we make a flex banner designing for DG Vidya. So I go to new file. So I want to make a new workout area. So I change the name into flex and my width so 5 feet and 2.5 feet is my workout area size. So now I want to make some margins, so I drag from here guide line and go to x-axis and 0.1 and drag, and x-axis will be 4.9. so I drag from top and y-axis is 0.1 and drag from top, and x-axis will be 2.4 because this is 2.5 into 5 feet. So now I want to make a design for DG Vidya. So that's why I go to pen tool. I have a pen tool here, so I just click on here right and fill gray color and stroke color will be none. So I make a design here. Then the next design I want to make, press alt to cut the node right, and outer outline is none, and right click auto and send this object to back of my layer right. After sending to back of my layer, I want to apply gradient color. So for gradient color I select the object and go to interactive fill tool. So here I go to interactive fill tool and I drag here and I change the color into like this, and this color is like right. So here is my design. So here is my design. Then I want to make another path, another shape. So I go for this shape and I go for pen tool and I want to create another shape here right. Now I want to apply same gradient color in this shape. So I have a attribute eyedropper tool, so I select this gradient and fill in this one and right click this one and order and send it to back of the layer. So right now after that I want to make a circle and fill magenta color, and my outline is none. Then I want to, this is my transparency tool, and click here. I want to apply linear fountain fill linear transparency, so I just drag here from here right. Then I go to rectangle tool, select and select both the rectangle, select this one and select both the rectangle and trim it fine. So after that I want to insert an image here in a white area, so I go for file and import. I want to import an image here right. Here is my image. I just select this image right fine. I select the image and right click on it and order and set back of the layer. So here is my image. Right now I want to import my logo here. I want to place a logo, so I go for file and import. So I have a logo in vector form. So here is my logo. I just select the Illustrator file and just click here, simple, and then drag this logo and I want to place here right. So the place, after placing the logo, I want to write something here. So I want to make a rectangle and I want to rounded this rectangle using shape tool and drag from the corner rounded rectangle. Then I go to attribute tool and copy this gradient and fill here, and I go to fountain fill interactive fill tool and just drag this from here easy. Then I want to write here and change the font face into Roboto black italic, and decrease the size, change the color into white, and I place here, right? Then after that I want to write something, www.dgvidia.com, and I change the size, and I select all these and right click and group them. After that I want to write something here, so I go to rectangle. I want to make a rectangle here. This is big type of rectangle, and change the rectangle into rounded rectangle, right? And I want to apply same color, so I go to attribute writer for tool, choose color from here, and just fill here, right? Then I want to go to transparency tool, and I want to fill linear transparency, and then I click on type tool, and I change the font into impact, and go to text menu, change case uppercase, okay, and change the color into white, and just decrease the size and drag this one. It's easy. Then I want to write, then I increase the size and change the font into Roboto light, and I drag this here and change the color into white, right? So after that I want to write something, then go to selection to then go to pick tool and select the font and change the font into Barlow, and my design is basically complete. The last step I select the all of this text and just drag to increase the size. So here is my size, and the last step is I want to fill some social media icons here. So go to file, import some social media icon, and select Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I decrease the size and place here top right. So here is my flex banner design for DigiVidya India. So please guys, if you like our video, so please like and share it with your friends. So thank you, thanks for watching.